Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com and we're doing a quick unboxing of a cordless screwdriver. I don't know about you guys, but I do a lot of online shopping through Shopee most of the time, and sometimes on Lazada. Okay, and when you get older, you start looking for tools, especially if there are things that you need to fix around the house. Okay, so these are one of the things that I was able to buy in Shopee. It's a cordless screwdriver, and I've been looking at it for a long time. I was able to buy it a couple of days ago. I bought it for 420 pesos, and with shipping from Black Arrow 50 pesos. I got some discounts, so I only paid for 420 talaga. Okay, so it's supposed to have 45 pieces of the attachments inside. It's 4.8 volts, but battery type is 600 milliamperes na nickel cadmium. The battery is from Tuoye Tools. Okay. Torque is 3 Nm. I don't know what Nm means. Its charging time is 3 to 5 hours. It comes with one piece cordless screwdriver. I think that's the one. 28 pieces of the 25mm driver bits, 8 pieces socket, 4 pieces 50mm driver bits, 2 pieces drill, 1 piece holder, 1 piece bits holder, and 1 piece adapter. Okay, so we'll open it up. Baliktad siya. Okay, so yeah, natapon kasi baliktad. Okay, so here's the actual unit. Can you see it? Okay, meron siyang charger. Okay, round thing yun. I think this is a European plug. Comes with a manual too. Okay, this one I think is for extender, so you put it there. Okay, so now you can put anything else in the end that you want. Okay, usin natin. So meron siyang mga yung Philips. Okay, mga Philips heads. May kalat. So yun lang ang problema, no? Hindi siya, it's not masikip, so the things keep on falling out. So you need to put it away properly. Okay, so there's 8 of this socket, yung part ng socket, diba? So the hexagon, bang tawag dyan? Okay, and there's a lot of this nahulog. So ayan, kita nyo, iba-iba yung size ng Philips. Meron din sila ng flat. Isin lang natin. Pagsamasamahin natin yung Philips. Ito yung mga flat. Okay, flat. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 na Philips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 na flat lang ang nakita ko. Okay. And there's a lot of these star-shaped things. I don't know what it's called. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then meron yung mga bilog. I don't know what these round things are for. So kasi ganyan yan. So hindi ko alam kung para saan itong bilog na to. Okay. And there are 6, 2 flat and 2 Philips na mahaba. Okay, so kung malalim yung butas, okay, or if you want it longer, you can actually okay, ayan, kita nyo yung cut. There's 2 modes. One is with the LED light on, so that if it's dark. The second is with it off. The switch or the button up and down. So pag up, it's counterclockwise, down is clockwise. So clockwise is yung pampahigpit, up is to pampaluwag. Okay? Meron din siya ng attachments. So there's, I showed you this already, diba? The extender. So okay siya sa normal na higpit. I've tried it, but like what I did for the wall mount, when it's too tight already, you need to use a standard screwdriver. Okay? Pero this is good for normal drilling, normal screwing and everything else. According to the seller, you can't use it for cement, but it can be used for metal. So no, not metal, wood. So see, so I'll get some wood and so you can see. Wait. Oh, here it is. We're gonna test it out. It's a wood that I found outside. So okay naman siya for drilling wood, diba? So okay naman. Medyo parang hindi lang siya stable, ano? So as you can see, the entire thing is moving around. I don't know why it's like that. Pero if you're just gonna drill holes in the wood, okay na siya. So that's it. So if you need a handy one, you might want to look at this. I don't understand lang why it's shaking. It's not supposed to be like that. Anyway, thanks guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.